Hi Nikki Charmers, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I know it's been a while, so today I'm bringing you this beautiful fresh flower balloon bouquet. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful look, stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. So here are all the materials I'll be using in this video. They'll all be linked in the description box below. So I have a gift box, wall decal, ribbon, BOBO balloon, a 17-inch regular size balloon, some paint, whatever color you please, these dry floral foam bricks, some tissue paper, a chopstick or some type of stick, a balloon stretcher or a balloon pliers found on Amazon. You'll also need some plastic to wrap the foam, a balloon stick, and also my handy dandy air pump, whether electric or manual, and a 260Q balloon. All of these materials will be linked in the description box below, and I'll try to link as much as I can in my Amazon storefront for you guys. And of course, we can't forget the main item needed, flowers, which I got from Trader Joe's. And if you know, you know. So our first step is to create the balloon, which I'm taking my BOBO balloon and I'm stretching it out. You want to stretch it out all around the perimeter. This prevents your balloon from popping. Next, you want to put some air into the balloon. You just want to blow it up, not to full capacity, just a little bit to stretch it. And that is a 17-inch BOBO balloon. And you want to do the same for the regular latex balloon. And this is Tough Tex 17-inch balloon in blush. And it should look like it's been stretched. Don't skip this step, it is essential. Next, you want to roll down the neck of the balloon as much as you can. We're gonna insert the paint in. And to do so, we're gonna use this balloon stretcher. So you want to stick it into the neck and then squeeze the handle to stretch open the neck of the balloon. Now I'm taking some acrylic paint and I'm pouring it into the balloon. I'm using pink. You could use whatever color you want. You can use multiple colors or just one color. And after that, you just remove the balloon stretcher and you just mix the paint around, just squeezing it and just plain mixing it all over the balloon. And I think it gives a more dramatic effect with more than one color. Next, I'm sliding my latex balloon into the BOBO balloon using a chopstick. And now it's time to blow up the balloon. I'm using my manual pump, so I have control of how much air goes into the balloon to prevent it from popping. So you want to blow it up a good size, but not to full capacity, so it does not pop. It would definitely be a mess if it does, so be careful. And once you're done, you want to tie off mainly the inside neck, which is the blush balloon. See, look how pretty it is. Now we're moving on to the bouquet part. First thing we need is these foam bricks. And we're gonna wrap it in some plastic wrap. But first we're gonna dip it in some water. I already added my flower food to the water. And I'm putting out my disclaimer, I am not a florist, but I can make do. So once the brick is saturated with the water, you can wrap it in the plastic. This is to prevent the gift box from soaking. And if you don't have plastic wrap, you can use a plastic bag or something just to prevent it from soaking through. Now that we've wrapped them, we can set these off to the side and get ready to wrap our gift box, which is from Dollar Tree. Today I'm using black contact paper that I got from Amazon. Once I opened it, I just took my gift box and I wrapped it around to make sure that it all covers all the areas needed. See, my contact paper is more than enough. We're gonna cut it down and we're gonna cover both the gift box and its lid as well. And when adding it, just try to be careful and just make sure that you're pressing down hard so you don't have too many air bubbles into it. Once all perimeters are wrapped, I just take the edges and I fold them down or cut them off. It all depends. I folded in the top part and cut off the bottom part. And it's optional if you want to cover the bottom since the lid will be on. And I just repeated the same process for the lid. And I did cover the top of the lid since it will be visible. And I repeated the same process. I just cut off the extra edges and folded them down. And we just saved a bunch of money. I know these gift boxes can be expensive. This part is optional. I'm just adding tissue paper to the inside of the gift box just to prevent it from the wet foam. Next, I'm placing my foam inside the gift box. Mine is snug, so I didn't need no extra glue or anything. See, it's a perfect fit. Now for the main event, our fresh flowers. And these roses are so pretty. I'm happy I went with them. It matches my balloon perfectly. Here I am prepping my roses. Just be careful, these thorns are no joke. Like I said, I am no florist, but I can do a little something. So I'm just cutting the stems and peeling off the leaves and the dead pieces. And then I went in and fluffed the roses. Now before we create the bouquet, I just want to place the ribbon on the bottom of the gift box. Most of the time when I get it from Dollar Tree, I'm normally using the whole roll, but this had a lot of extra. And I'm just using some clear tape to hold it down. Now we can place our lid back on and start on the bouquet. First thing I'm going to do is take my balloon stick and stick it into the middle of the foam. It should be sturdy. And don't worry, we can adjust the stick later if it needs to be cut down some more. Now for my flowers, I'm just sticking it into the foam around the perimeter of the gift box. And I made sure to place them at the edge of the gift box just to give the illusion that the bouquet is more full than it is, since we're going to place the balloon on top. And a dozen roses was just enough. I actually had to use 11 because one of the flower heads fell off. So I just took the petals and threw them in the middle. Now I'm going in and adjusting my balloon stick, which I later cut down. I'm trying to make it less visible. Now for the other star of the show, our balloon. I'm just taking my 260Q balloon and I'm just tying it so I can add it onto my balloon stick. And to connect the balloon onto the stick, I am just wrapping the neck of the balloon around the neck of the stick, and I am pushing it through the little flap, and I'm tying my 260 around it as well, just to make sure that it's secure and won't move out of place. It should look like this. Now all you have to do is hook the neck onto the stick and it should be sturdy. See, it's looking good so far. Now we want to take our ribbon and wrap it around the balloon, making sure the ribbon is tied snugly and not loose. That will secure the balloon. And I'm just lining the ribbon up with the edges of the BOBO balloon and placing some clear tape to make sure that it stays in place. Now we can tie and make a pretty bow with our ribbon. I'm letting you know I'm not the best tier. I can't be great at everything. And can't you tell how excited I am of how pretty it came out? But we're not done. We're gonna customize it. I'm using my Cricut machine and I created a decal for it using my vinyl paper. If you don't have a Cricut machine, you can buy decals or some type of sticker and place it on as well. But this part is optional. This part is my least favorite, but it gets the job done. And here's the final look.
Wow!
Look at it. I just love it. Just the blush with the pink and how the flowers match up so well. This is perfect for any type of occasion. Birthday, Mother's Day, gender reveal, congratulations, wedding, bride-to-be, bridesmaids. It's just perfect for any type of special occasion for that special someone. I truly hope this video was very helpful and informative to you guys, and you go ahead and make it for that special someone. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah!